product. See, own product if you want to do, what you'll do. Can you give me some examples? Yes, of course. Online courses, e-books, templates, software tools, etc. are some of examples. So what you can do, you can build these and you can exchange it for money. So the problem here arises is one is expertise and another one is investment on marketing. So on the other hand, others product, see, that is affiliate marketer and then network marketing. This is less risky. You are one man army. Just type one man army. Then you have to invest on tools, time management system. So many tools on which we invest. Overall, at least you need a sum of at least over this time you need 1 lakh rupees. So how many of you agree with this? Just type LT. LT is launch time and approximately 3 to 6 months. For option 2, it's non-risky. In 2, you have scope. This is for the people who can take risk. Instead of investing 1 lakh, you can start at a very low price. Investment here is very, very low. And this is not one man army. It's a group of people affiliate and then work. It's a group activity. आइडियल बिजनेस से रिलेट करो तो आपको नहीं लगता ऑप्शन 1 से ऑप्शन 2 बेहतर है? तो एक कंपनी के साथ हम अफिलिएट हो जाते हैं, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट हमारे थ्रू बिक जाते हैं तो वी गेट 30% ऑन इट. सो दिस अ बेटर वे. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का झंझट नहीं है, नो सैलरी टू द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. बट अगेन affiliate marketing में we are not one man army. See, there are some tools from which you can do. You can use YouTube, Snapchat, and you can sell your product. So finally I sell a product, I make money. But अगर network marketing बात करें, don't you think we are all not selling anything to anyone? This is a group business manufacturer. कोई और है. It's no risk, no boss, and you get commission. How many of you think that this is a good fit for an ideal business? Another good part of this is affiliate marketing. Scale one product, take commission of 30%. So in network marketing, see, I am there. मेरे नीचे और 2 लोग होंगे. सो ए लोग के नीचे और 2 लोग, बी लोग के नीचे और 2 लोग. सो वी हैड मेनी थिंग्स with other people's skills. So now if we again go back to our ideal business definition, don't you think network marketing is best? Now आपके माइंड में रेसिस्टेंस चल रहा होगा, जो भी है स्टॉप कर लीजिए वही. सो दिस इज प्योर मार्केट रिसर्च विच वी हैव डन. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस ऑन ESBI मॉडल. सो हम बिजनेस ही कर रहे हैं. देर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस वेर लेस रिस्की and they're scalable also. So network looks like a best fit. How many of you agree for this? If you are thinking I've done this before and all, just stop there only. Stop all those thoughts, because how many of you agree with this? Now don't go with my words. Okay, there are many people in this industry who say about it. It's not only me. I hope you get some understanding. This is great. Just see, this seems to be a great opportunity. It has all the business elements. Quickly, I just want to tell you little bit about myself. I wanted to do much bigger in my line. That's why I started in this company. Then, actually, when someone suggested me to do this, I just asked them, which company is this? What is this? What they do? So they just answered me. This company is called as the Forever Living Products. This company deals in nutrition, health, and wellness. So all the products are very good. So if people ask me, I'm an introvert and marketing nahi aata hai, how will I do this business? So then I related with my own. I was doing all over this कुछ नहीं में there. तो मैं सोच रही थी अगर मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा एटलीस्ट मुझे नॉलेज तो मिलेगा होने के लिए और कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास. So with this mindset, I came to this platform and I started doing the business. Actually, this business is in 160 plus countries. So I thought first, see, I know English and I know how to use internet. So using these both, I can build this business globally. And that made me very excited. After that, I took a decision and I said yes. खोने के लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So there's no loss. Or it's an ideal business. And I saw it's transferable. It's transferable, low budget and all. Then I started. I was doing offline. I started to use internet. YouTube में video बनाना. And finally today I'm building my network marketing business 100% online, guys. Now, right now, you are listening to me from your own city and just using the technology. So, using the same technology and building it online, you think if you get an opportunity without convincing anyone and build your business online, are you interested to explore this opportunity? Just type yes or no. This was a short intro about myself, how I actually came to this beautiful industry. Would you be interested to know at least to explore this business? We understood about network marketing. We want to do something which is less risky globally, which is not dependent on anybody, which can give you respect, influence, and help others. डोंट यू थिंक ऑल दीज आर अवेलेबल इन दिस नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग. अगर आपको एक सॉलिड कंपनी मिलता है माइंडसेट में तो है ये तो बेहतर कंपनी है. बट प्रॉब्लम है हमारे साथ लोग कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे. तो अगर मैं दो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दिया तो आप इंटरेस्टेड होंगे ना कंपनी में आने के लिए. It's a good platform and a good company. Do you think you must do network marketing at least once in your lifetime? Because this shows you how you should be in your life to be successful. I haven't spoken about money at all now and have not shown you big cars, bungalows, etc. Is this ideal business for 21st century? अगर हम online करेंगे forever living products unless and until we don't have any solid platform. So you know about this company. This was started on 13th May 1978. It was started in Arizona in USA. The man behind this vision was Rex Morgan, sir. And this is present in 160 plus countries. It's a cash rich, debt free company. And in India, its head office is in Mumbai. It's a aloe vera based company. It is spread across 75,000 acres. 65,000 pound aloe vera. It's a vertically integrated company. It has all the ideal certifications. It's world class products. For and The sales manager in India is Harish Singalia sir. Everything is online. Buy the products and you'll be a FBO. Opportunity is world class. Best openings. And you know what type of aloe is used here? Here, one of the world's best aloe is used. That aloe is called Barbardinus Miller. Then you have a array of products. What are those? Sorry. You have weight management, you have skincare, etc. Then registration is free. बस आपको आपका आधार कार्ड नहीं तो पैन कार्ड चाहिए. रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद देर आर अलग अलग लेवल है. क्या है? फर्स्ट इट इज एएस. यू बिकम अ प्रिफर्ड कस्टमर. यू गेट 5% ऑन दैट. आपको 2cc बिजनेस करना होगा. एक बार प्रोडक्ट का पॉइंट्स आ गया आपको तो 2cc बन जाएगा. अभी प्रेजेंटली आई एम वर्किंग इन as AS, assistant supervisor. Then comes the level as supervisor when you complete 25cc. Then comes the level as assistant manager when you complete 75cc. Then the dream level of all is manager, that is 120cc. Then you get 3%, 8%, 13% accordingly. अलग अलग लेवल्स है मार्केटिंग प्लान में. तो जितना बड़ा लेवल उतना बड़ा इनकम. Good news is that I am presently working as AS, that is assistant supervisor. So see, if you complete 2cc, you will be getting around 13,000. Then it's when you complete your supervisor, you will be earning around 30. Then it's assistant manager 45 to 50. Then manager, it's multi-level income. Okay, you can make many incomes like leadership bonus, car plan, global rally, international travel, chairman bonus, level 1, level 2. Then manager retreat, your quality improves, unique future of our marketing plan. And it's a global company. Start and believe in our process, guys. Did you find interesting? Star, you type interesting. Right now about to take a decision. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस FLP के साथ एसोसिएट हो जाओ गाइस. और आपको 160 प्लस कंट्रीज में है. सो यू कैन मेक एन इनकम ऑफ 30 to 50,000 just in 2 or 3 months. You just have to follow the process and you have to stay focused. Just type interesting if you find interesting. Then why you should join our team? You know, there are it's a group of digital marketing. We are building 100% online. I hope you understand. We are a group of digital influencers 100% online. We are into the business of complete automation. We are actually building business automation. We build assets. Assets are your YouTube, your Insta, your Snap, all these are your assets. Then there is no paid ad, no paid tools. World class quality community. Basic of business. YouTube influencer. You can earn in multiple streams by being on this platform. See, you know, guys, I'll say you main thing. Why main people will not come to this business? Because they don't want to chase their family and friends. And then if you don't have a big circle also, it's okay. Your image is not good, then also it's fine. You don't have time, you're an introvert. So how to start this? All these questions will be putting in your mind. So whoever person have connected you to my webinar, okay, get yourself registered to that person. You only need PAN card and Aadhaar card. Place order for only a minimum amount of 1,000 rupees. So can you do it? If you can do it, type I can do it. You will get a password and ID, a 12-digit password and ID. So buy any product of your choice. You will get access through private meeting. Next private meeting, I will show you a roadmap to earn 50,000 per month using TLF automation system. Only then I shall do it now. In 3 to 4 days you will get it. तो बात तो समझो, अदरवाइज यूज प्रोडक्ट्स, डिसीजन तो खुद लो गाइस. Why do you want to ask your parents and husband? It's only an amount of 1,000 rupees, that's all. I really want to filter those. It sounds interesting, yes, I will do it. Then quickly type, I will do it. I will tell you tools जिसको यूज करके आप अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो कर सकते हो. मेक श्योर यू डू दिस प्रोसेस टुडे एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू शेयर इन दिस वीडियो. आई होप you explore a new business, isn't it? Yes or no? This is for you and go for it. I want you to close this. Let's start tight. You are not a prospect, but as a business partner, you'll be with me. So you know the forever का power है. Quickly connect with the person. Imagine this life can be yours also on that side. With this, thank you for attending this and see you in my private meeting as my business partner. Thank you guys. Bye.